Smell that? Alright, some Ital thing. You see me big in it now? Yeah, just I put the Ackee in it same way. One way. Normal setting, yard man setting. Look at my hand. Yeah, almost ready, my people. Yummy. Yeah, my people. Fully ox them down. Clean it out. Yeah, that is it, my people. Beautiful. Look at it. Alright, right, so now I got some salt on the leaf. Yeah, I use the salt and wash the callaloo. In case any worm there in the callaloo. Yeah, any small worm I can't see. Yeah, so I get some water upon it and wash the callaloo properly. Rinse off the Ackee. Yeah, and then set up a fire and start the ball rolling. So tune in, subscribe to the channel. Got it. Alright, I get the callaloo washer now. Yeah, line up the stove. Right here, so I cook my people. So tune in to see everything will go on. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, my people. Yeah, wash it up. Make it clean and pretty. Yeah, man, look at it. Ackee there over there, so. Yeah, man. So, Ital food we are dealing with today. Yeah, we are putting some Ackee and Callaloo. Authentic Callaloo from the back garden, no chemical. So just get it clean up and ready. Yeah, man. Now waste no time. So go and tune in, my people. Okay? A normal setting, fully active, yardman style. No joke. Pop! Man, pop up the here today, my people. Alright. Look at pop. Alright, get this stuff and run. Now waste your time. Alright, look like it clean now. Look at it. Alright, people. Everything fully prepped now. Yeah, look at the Callaloo. Nicely chopped. Yeah, some chopped greens ready. Yeah, look at the Ackee fully washed. Right there. Alright, so I get the stove ready. Yeah, I get the stove set up. A 2-burner stove still, man. I take it out of the storeroom and set it up right here. So tune in, you see what I go on. Everything I go nice, yummy. Yummy. Yes, my people. Line up the stove ready. Yeah, we have a look at 2-burner propane. Look at it. Yeah, man. Right, that's how we do, my people. Get some fire underneath the pot now. Yeah. Pull the lid up. Callaloo. Yes, my people. Right here, so we got some chop seasoning. You know the regular season, yardman style. Onion, scallion, hot pepper, scotch bonnet, thyme, garlic. Yeah, right there. Yeah, we're gonna add some salt on it now. Make it turn up the fire. Yeah, fully up. You hear that? Smell that? Alright, some Ital thing. You see me, people? Yeah, man, watch this time and just subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? Yeah, man, beautiful. You hear that? Alright, man, just tip some water upon it, some coconut water at least. Yeah, damn. Yeah, tune in. Get a little check on it now. Alright. Look at that. The Ackee in it now. Yeah, just I put the Ackee in it same way. One way. Normal setting, yardman setting. Yes, my people, look at that. Ackee and Callaloo with boiled dumpling, my people. Yeah, I'll put on a boiled dumpling shortly. Yeah, put on the pot right there. The man on I know the tree with there, you know. See me, you know. Yeah, man, now I'm going to wood fire. Tomorrow I get a wood fire cook. Okay? Yeah. I get a wood fire cook tomorrow right there. So, right now, I deal with some Ackee and dumpling and yam and boiled plantain. So, just I deal with the Ackee first, then we deal with the dumpling shortly. It's alright. Tend to the dumpling pot now. Cover it back and make it simmer. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Okay? My people, alright. Look at my hand. Yeah. Yeah, I get some flour I need right now. Yeah, look at it. After I knead it up, set on the water right there and roll them up, chop in. So just go and chew it. It's gonna be yummy. It's gonna be so delicious. Yardman style, fully active. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, my people, man. Just I get the flour knead up. Yeah. Yeah, man. Outdoor setting, man. Yeah, man. Beautiful, my people. Yardman style, fully active. Slippers and socks. Subscribe to the channel, my people. Yeah, I want to say give thanks to my 53 subscribers. This video is for you, all my subscribers. We're gonna have a feast right here. Yeah, look at that. Yes, my people. 2 pounds of flour, you know. Yeah, man. Yardman style, yardman. Me and Papa go eat, you know. Yeah, but Papa sleep around the back. Look at Papa. Yeah, tune in, my people. Alright. I get this now, boiling water now. Yeah, let's go and tune in. Subscribe. Yeah, got piece of yellow yam ready for going on the pot. Yeah, already bust it in a two. Let's peel it and drop it in the pot now. Look on the pot. Whoa, water boil up, ready. Alright, so I'm gonna go through and peel it and wash it off and then drop it in the pot. Yeah, I'm fully clean and washed, you know. Yeah, fully prep and clean, my people. Put the yam in the pot now. Turn on back the fire. The fire did not blaze too long. Get the yam in. Alright, look at that. Yeah, man, I bust it in a two again. Should I bust it in a two before? Yeah, man, cause them thick, you know. So yeah. Right now I'm going like a 5 piece, you know, people. I want them boil quick. Yeah. Yeah, man, we could check on this over here, see, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, man, that ready, you know, people. Yeah, man, some Ital Ackee with Callaloo, you know. Some coconut milk in it. Simmer down. Man, ready for you to the dumpling now. Yeah, tell a friend for tell a friend. Big up all of my subscribers. USA, England, a whole of Europe. Link up. Subscribe to the channel, my people. My people got about 10 dumplings. Some real healthy dumpling, my people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, make it go and bubble now. Yeah, we got the yam at the bottom, cut up, and the flour. Yeah, cornmeal dumpling, my people. Over here, so now, lock off the stuff and it's finished. Yummy, look at it. Yes, my people. Beautiful, look at it. Yeah, yummy, look at it, my people. Natural and nice. Yeah, look on the floor now. Up. Yes, my people. Keep going, see me. Alright, tune in. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. We got a one plant right here, so. Chop in a pot. Yeah, fully out of skin now, my people. Alright. Yardman style. Make it go and bubble on the side, you know. Yeah, that is it, my people. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Really hard man cooking. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Them our lifestyle. Okay? Yeah, man. Some real man dumpling, man, my people. Yellow yam, you know, my people. Look there. That is it, my people. Yeah, man. Make it go and cook now, you see it? Yeah, a normal setting now. Yeah. Everything will go nice, my people. Yummy. Look over here, sir. Alright, that is it. Subscribe to the channel. Pop. I'm ready for the morning. Yeah, man. Waiting patiently, my people. Pop. Check what I got. Alright. Yeah, man. I want it boil over, you know, my people, because fire. Let's make it go and simmer. About 10 minutes to go, my people. Yeah, my people, I want to say give thanks to all of my subscribers, my people. Give thanks to all of my 53 subscribers. Yeah, let's drink to that, my people. Yeah, beautiful. I'm there in the backyard, I go and cook some food. Come on, check out the background. Sit right here upon it. Cheat on Palaka. Yeah, man, I'm going to sip on my beer a little. All of those you see in the background are yellow ginger. Yeah, beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, it's beautiful, my people. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Subscribe to each channel. No joke. I take another check on the pot. Cause I get hungry. Whoa, look at that. Ah, it's bubbling, it's bubbling, it's bubbling. Yes, my people. It's bubbling, my people. Yeah, that is it. That's how I like to see it. Yeah, almost ready, my people. Yummy. To the boil over. I'll clean up that after, man. Yes, my people, look at that. Yeah. Time to get some food to eat now. Check it out. Beautiful, my people. I get the stove turned off now and share us. Catch me and eat. I'm so hungry. So I'll share some food right now. Alright. Help me share some food, my people. One dumpling. And two dumpling. How much dumpling can you eat, my people? Whoa. I'm so scared of that one. That one is so scary. Yeah. Yeah, three dumpling. Alright. Gonna get piece of yam on it. Piece of plantain on it. Where's the yam? One piece of yam right there. Yeah. The yam right there. Alright. This side now. Alright. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get some ackee on it now. Yummy. Right there. Ital dish, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Pop up. Alright, people. Yeah, man. Catch me and eat this, my people. Yeah. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Okay. Only thing I want now, people, is a tall glass of lemonade right now, people. Yeah, my people. Alright. Yeah. Let's taste it.